Hello and welcome back to another lesson here on the best Python course on the planet right now. Now, in the other previous tutorial, we talk about what we call the print function. Yeah, and because I had a problem with my battery was draining down and I couldn't put it on charge, so I apologize for that. So it makes the system very, very, very slow. Now, I want us to advance this program, right? With the same print function. This time we are not going to right, just print. I want you to display your name on the screen. Okay, so what you need to do is just change the words in the quotation, then write your name. Let's see, Dr. Don is a good one. Perfect. So when we run this program, I want to see this Dr. Don is a good one on our console. And when you see that, it means you'll be able to write your first Python programming code. And I will say congratulations to that. So you just need to go to the run tab here, then click on run main because you are coding in the main environment. Now you can see Dr. Don is a good one right here. So you just wrote your first program. And you can even change it and put anything you want to your choice right here. Now, today, what we are going to learn is called commenting in programming. Now, when we say comments, it can be used to explain a Python code. It can also be used to make your code readable. So, and comments can also be used to prevent execution when you are testing your code. So, how do you create a comment in Python? Creating a comment always sound with, let me put this thing back. Yeah, we always start a comment with the pound sign or the hash sign. So mostly people call this the pound sign or the hash sign. Okay, so to write a comment, maybe you can just write anything like this is a comment. So mostly when we put a comment in front of our statement we are trying to make, it always changes the color. So when you see a color like this, when you're coding your Python, which means you have commented this line. And what you are trying to tell Python is that it should ignore this and it shouldn't display this onto the screen. So look at this. When we comment this statement out, wait, perfect. Now when we run our code, what's down on the console? You don't see anything here because you are telling Python that please ignore all these and don't display anything because you've commented this statement out that we don't want it to display. But let me move or take off the pound sign again and let's run the code again. Now you will see Dr. Don is a good man printing onto our screen. So this is actually how to write a comment in Python programming. Now, I was using the shortcut to run this code, so I didn't go to run and do the run main, which is kind of a bit boring for me. So the shortcut you could use is Control R on Windows or Control same R on Mac OS, and you're going to get your display right here. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and in our next tutorial, you're going to talk about something so special, which is going to be variables. Now, try to practice this. I always tell you, the more you practice, the more you become perfect in programming. Don't be lazy. Just try your best and try to dedicate time to be able to practice. I've been slow to explain things to you so that you get all the knowledge you need to know about Python. Yeah. I can go fast, but I want to be slow so that you know all the step-by-step of how to do a proper coding in Python. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.